Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful floral earring pattern. It's quick, super easy and perfect for beginners. Plus you can make it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. This is the material I have used to make the earrings. This is called embroidery thread or the pearl cotton. And along with that I'll be using the 1mm crochet hook to make the earrings. But today in the tutorial I'll be using milk cotton, a thicker material, along with the 3mm crochet hook for you to see the stitches clearly. Let's get started with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once. Hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot ready, and then insert the hook into the loop, and let's get started by making 6 chains. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then I'm going to go into the very first chain here to work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. Now we have a small ring here, and then we will get started with the first round. There we need to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be considered as the first double crochet of the second round, and then I'm going to make another double crochet into the ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then make 3 double crochets into the ring. One, two, and 3. Then again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again work 3 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and work another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then I'm going to make 1 double crochet into the ring. After that I'm going to join the round by working a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd chain. So insert the hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. And then the second round we are going to complete the petals of the flower. And what I'm going to do is just go into the chain 5 space here and work 3 half double crochets. To make the half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 5 space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. We have completed 2 half double crochets, and this is the 3rd half double crochet. And then make 9 double crochets into the same chain 5 space. We will pull the stitches back and work 9 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After that, we need to make another 3 half double crochets into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. Alright, and then I'm going to go into the stitch at the center of these 3 stitches. Now on the previous round we made 3 double crochets here, so I'm going to insert the hook into the middle stitch and work a slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed the first petal of the flower. Now we have to just repeat the same pattern to complete the other petals as well. I'll show you once more. Work 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then 9 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then again 3 half double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Then work a slip stitch into the middle stitch here. Just like that, I'm going to repeat the pattern to complete the other petals as well. Now I'm at the end of the round, and then we will go into the starting point of the second round and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the stitch at the starting point of the second round, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed the round. And then I'm going to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that, we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail. Now we have completed the flower, and this is what it looks like. And these are the flowers I have done by using the pearl cotton material. You can see the difference of the sizes, and depending on the material you are using, the size is going to be different. Alright, and then we will see how to attach the pieces together to complete the earrings. I'm going to take one jump ring, open it up using the pliers, and attach it to a petal like this, and then we will slide another jump ring also into this and close. After that, we will use a hook ear wire and slide it into the second jump ring like this and close it. Now we have completed one of the earrings, and just like the same, we will complete the other one as well. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these lovely floral earrings with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy crochet tutorials. See you in the next one.